You've probably heard this saying that goes, I don't sing because I'm happy because I sing. I love that quote because it highlights something really important. That singing isn't the result of happiness, it actually creates it. It releases endorphins, it reduces stress, it increases your lung capacity, and connects your body in a really natural way. If you're here, I'm guessing you love to sing and maybe want to get better or explore it more, and that's great because when it comes to singing, the process itself is the point. And that's another quote I love. The process is the point. It's wonderful when you're singing and learning to have a goal, like a recording or a performance. That's beautiful. That helps motivate you. It helps sort of propel you forward. But it's not the journey. The journey is the small discoveries, the growth, the figuring out how your voice works, the inconsistencies and manipulating your muscles and your tongue and your soft palate. That's the point. If the end result was all that mattered in life, we would all be like racing towards death. I've seen a lot of AI generated music and singing, and there's nothing wrong with playing around. It's very interesting. It's kind of fascinating. It's a new technology, and they sound incredibly real. They sound real because they've been harvested from real voices and have been replicated. And technology is doing a great job of replicating the sound of art, but it cannot create the experience of art. The experience of art is human. The more we lose the art of joyful creation, that's with voice, that's with craft, it's with woodworking, it's with art, the joyful creation that I think we're all meant to do. In my utopia, side note, in my utopia, none of us have to do anything that we don't want to do. Our value is just whatever we're passionate about, we offer it to the world, and it all balances out. So my nudge is simple. Keep singing, keep growing, keep the process alive. Wherever you are in the journey, you're good just singing, just doing it more. Don't aim for perfection. Don't wait to sing to the world until you feel like you're good enough to. And don't let the process be replaced with performance and productivity. So the next time you sing, or the next time you're grumpy, remember that you don't sing because you're happy because you sing. So maybe go ahead and sing right now.